Hi, this is Hari Mohan Varshini. Welcome back to my channel. This video tutorial describes chamfer command. First mode is length/angle. In this, we can define chamfer length and angle. The propagation consists of two options, tangency and minimal. Both are same as described in fillet option. Second mode is length 1/length 2, here define chamfer horizontal and vertical length. Tangency applies chamfer to all edges that are tangent to each other, and minimal command is for only one edge. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.